evening and welcome everybody. We would like to thank each and every one of you who has come so far and done so much to be here this week to celebrate with us. Your presence means so much to us and we are looking forward to spending time with you and creating many beautiful memories. We hope you all enjoy yourselves tonight. Sorry for being a little bit late, but when you want to look this beautiful, it takes a little bit of time. So everybody have an amazing night. Enjoy your food, enjoy your drinks, dance, have fun. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your night.